Hello, in today's segment of Tuesday Seeds, author and publisher of the book series Let's Grow, Uriah Israel will be starting a two-part series of best practices when it comes to growing fruits and vegetables. So stay tuned.
What season are you in right now? You want to start a farm. So your question is, what season am I in? Uriah, I don't know what to plant. Well, the first question, once again, before where you are, is what season are you in? What can grow? How much of a growing season do you have to plant, grow, and harvest before the season ends? Like right now, behind me, I have my little garden here, and I've always planted a garden for my personal sustenance. But you always have to consider, like, what's my window of opportunity for growing certain vegetables, certain crops that I want to grow, certain fruits. And so you have to say that. You have to look at your yard. You have to take a good look at it and look at the different microclimates in your yard or on the land that you own. Okay, what are the different microclimates? Because this will determine where the plant should go. There's 3 different categories where plants can be planted and get the best environment so that they get the amount of sunlight they need to thrive. The first one is full sun. Full sun is 6 to 8 to 10 hours of sunlight, direct sunlight. Okay, a lot of plants, when you look at their labels or you read the seed packet, you'll find that they want full sunlight. Some of them do, not all of them. Okay, a lot of leafy greens I have here, even though it's cool outside, certain vegetables I have here, these mustards, I have some red bar, kale, I have some arugula. They want full sunlight, even though it's cool outside. Right now it's about 50 degrees, but they still want full sunlight. Now, what about part sun or part shade? Part sun or part shade means 3 to 6 hours of sunlight. Okay, so you want to be able to put your plants in a location that will help them to thrive, and maybe against a fence. Like for instance, right here in my yard, I have a little garden area right there, so that the plants in those boxes, they get 3 to 6 hours of sun at the most. Then the last category is full shade. Some plants like full shade. So you have to find the areas around your house where you can plant your herbs, your vegetables, and they will get the full shade that they need to thrive.